Stobi, an old Paeonian city, which was annexed into Philip V's Macedonian kingdom in the 3rd century BC. It was a Roman municipium with local self-government, and prospered as a result of its location on the intersection of the major regional roads that connected the two main Trans-Balkan highways, the Via Egnatia and the Via Militaris. It flourished during the empire with a population of around 30,000. At the end of the 4th century, Stobi became the capital of the newly formed province of Macedonia Secunda, and as an episcopal center in the 5th and 6th centuries, major religious buildings were added to the urban inventory. The Roman theater has a standard design for cultural presentations, but also includes gladiatorial combat functions adapted from amphitheater design. Hundreds of names of citizens were inscribed on the marble blocks of the auditorium, reserving their seats for the shows. The nearby 5th century episcopal basilica reused elements of the theater in its construction. Bishop Philip decorated the monumental structure with geometric and animal motif mosaics in the narthex. The adjacent baptistry has mosaics with peacocks and deer figures, and a marble cantharos, probably connected with the baptism ritual. The most luxurious residence in the city is the Theodosian Palace, named in honor of the visit of the Emperor Theodosius in 388. The peristyle courtyard was decorated with elaborate geometric mosaics and finished with a fountain pool ornamented with statues. The partially excavated brick and concrete building in the northeast of the town has been interpreted as a possible library. Its unusual design includes a large central hall with a series of arched niches, probably for the storage of scrolls and for sculptural displays. Many fragments of statues, some of divinities, others with scrolls in hand, were discovered here.